Hello, beta. Your first question is so this is RTC based question. Read the paragraph given below and answer the questions that follow. So this is an extract from the chapter that we did today. And Mr. Keesing had a good laugh at my arguments. Okay. But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chat box. Okay. So this was where Mr. Keesing gave an extra homework to Anne Frank. I handed it in, and Mr. Casing had nothing to complain about for two whole lessons. However, during the third lesson, had finally had to say Anne Frank as a punishment for talking in class. Uh, sorry, write an essay titled "Quack Quack Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. So we know that three times the homework was given to her. Okay. So the questions are based on this extract now. So the first question is based on this extract, pick the option with the list of words that best describe Mr. Keesing. So how can Mr. Keesing be described? They are basically asking that when we read that extract, what can we infer about him? Was he a very jovial fellow, creative? Jovial means a very funny fellow, and he was creative. And he was strict and innovative. He was tolerant and strict. He was innovative and jovial. The correct answer is that he was strict as well as he was innovative. He was innovative because this was his innovation only that he was able to come up with the three essays, and basically it shows his creative side. So he was we cannot say that he was jovial or he was creative. He was creative though, so creative would be correct, but jovial is wrong. He was not very jovial fellow. He became jovial after he had Anne Frank's third essay. After that he had changed himself. He was tolerant. He was not at all tolerant because he did not tolerate Anne Frank talking in the class. He was innovative though, but he was not jovial again. So one of the two options is wrong. And here in this case, both the options are correct. He was strict. That is why he did not allow Anne Frank to talk. And B, he was innovative. Okay, so B is the correct answer.